everyone, this is Donna and welcome back to Mademoiselle Vanilla. As promised, I'll show you a little demo of this pretty lily flower for this week's episode of Something Pretty. But before anything else, please hit like and the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave my comment after this video. And let's get started.
I'm gonna cut this 24 gauge wire into 4 and use 3 straight wires for the stamens. Soften up the tip and the bottom part. Same goes with the other two. For the petals, I'm using 5 hooked wires. Since I don't have a special cutter for the lily, I like to cut it free-handedly. And to be honest, you don't need all the tools to create a realistic Gumpaste flowers. Leave the petals to dry for at least 24 hours. Dust the inner side of the petal light pink and leave few millimeters of the edge completely white. To set the colors, give these beauties a quick steam and they'll be ready to adorn a cake.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For next week's episode of Something Pretty, I'm putting up a time lapse of building a wedding cake from start to finish and up to its delivery. So stay tuned right here every Friday on Mademoiselle Vanilla channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon.